Stealth jets may not be invisible anymore. For decades, stealth technology made fighter jets like the F-35 nearly undetectable. But China's new quantum radar could change everything. In 2016, China announced a prototype quantum radar, claiming it could spot targets 100 kilometers away. Many doubted it, but China kept investing, and now, in 2025, advanced field tests are underway. If quantum radar works as claimed, stealth aircraft could be tracked from hundreds of kilometers away. The strategic advantage of stealth would vanish overnight. This isn't just about new hardware, it's a fundamental shift in military power. China's progress is a wake-up call for India. Our most advanced jets could soon be visible to our biggest rival. Yet, there's little public discussion or urgency in India about this threat. We risk flying blind while our adversaries see everything. The age of stealth is being challenged, and India cannot afford to be left behind. It's time to face this new reality. What is quantum radar, and why is it a game changer? Traditional radar sends out radio waves, which bounce off objects and return, revealing their location. Stealth jets are designed to scatter or absorb these waves, making them nearly invisible. Quantum radar uses pairs of entangled photons, tiny particles of light. One photon is sent out, its twin stays at the base. If the sent photon hits an object, even a stealth jet, its properties change. Thanks to quantum entanglement, any change is instantly mirrored in the twin photon. This allows detection of even the faintest disturbance, bypassing stealth coatings. It's like having a magic link that reveals hidden objects, no matter how well they're disguised. Quantum radar could make stealth technology obsolete. That's why it's called a stealth killer. The stakes for India are enormous. China's progress in quantum radar is rapid and strategic. They've moved from lab experiments to real-world testing, integrating quantum radars into their air defense networks. This could create a quantum fence along their borders, detecting even the most advanced stealth aircraft. China's government has made quantum technology a national priority, investing heavily and attracting top talent. While the West debated, China built. India, meanwhile, is focused on developing its own stealth fighter, the AMCA. But we're building stealth jets for a world where stealth may no longer matter. Our investment in quantum radar is minimal, with no large-scale mission to match China's. We have the talent, but lack coordination and urgency. The gap is growing and our security is at risk. We're preparing for yesterday's threats while China shapes tomorrow's battlefield. India must rethink its strategy, fast. The time to act is now. Why is quantum radar missing from India's national conversation? The science may seem complex, but ignoring it is dangerous. Without public awareness, there's no pressure on leaders to act. Imagine if students, teachers, and citizens demanded answers about India's quantum strategy. Public curiosity can drive innovation and force action. This is a call to students. Use your knowledge to strengthen India. A call to teachers. Inspire innovation in your classrooms. A call to citizens. Stay informed and ask tough questions. India needs a movement of curiosity and innovation. Our security depends on technological leadership, not just numbers. We have the talent to lead if we act with urgency and vision. China's quantum radar is both a threat and an opportunity. India must lead, not follow.